Hi, I'm Mike Gubby. There's a really simple way to measure for your ceiling mount sheer or block out curtains in an internal corner like this one here, or an external corner like this one here. And I'm about to show you how simple it is. So to get started on measuring for our internal and external corners, Kylie's made for you these curtain DIY measure templates. There's some rectangles, there's some cricket bats, and there's also some circles which you need to print. Now I've printed these on a little bit of a thicker stock, and I've also made sure that my printer settings are on actual because the size of the template is really important. Now these templates, when we cut them out, you'll see exactly how I use them to ensure that I get the perfect measurements for my internal and external corners, and the flow of these curtains is going to look fantastic. Now that I've finished hacking through Kylie's handiwork, because I'm doing an internal corner and an external corner, what I need is the 4 rectangles. These rectangles are 80 mils from front to back, and they're also 200 mils long, but the 80 mils is the critical part because that's representing the actual width of the curtain fabric from the front to the back of the curtain fabric. All right, I've also got myself 2 cricket bats. That's going to be for our external corner, and I've also cut out a piece of quarter eaten pie, which is this template just here. So let me go and show you exactly how to use them and get a great result. So because we're going around an external corner and an internal corner, we've cut out our templates and I've stuck those to the ceiling, and I just want to show you exactly why I've done that. Okay, so if we start over here, this curtain is going to start from here. So my measuring is going to start from the very end of that template there. And this template is 80 millimeters wide, so that represents the thickness of the sheer curtain. Okay, so my sheer curtain is going to come through here at 80 mils. It's going to come all the way through to here. See the end of my cricket bat handle? That represents the end of this track, that one. And then this track is going to start from the end of this cricket bat handle. So see, I've got those inside edges just touching sort of level with this line, which represents the perfect angle for the 2 curtain tracks to go in. So this is how we determine the width of that track there, and we're going to determine the width of this track here. We're going to start from here and we're going to come through to this corner. Now this internal corner has got a through curtain, so this curtain here is going to come all the way through just before the cornice here, but this curtain that goes that way, it has to give way to this curtain, so our width starts from there, which is the outside of this template here, and it goes all the way through to the outside edge of that template there. Okay, so by putting the templates in place now, I've got the exact way to measure the widths of my tracks and how to deal with my corners perfectly, so I get a beautiful seamless look for my internal and my external corners. So you can see how we've got this beautiful seamless corner coming through into a through blind and a butt blind over there. But if we open up the curtain, you can see by using the templates how good we've got that corner to sit, and they've really told us exactly what width of track to measure, and the templates made it really simple for us. So let's close those up. And let's look at this one. So we've used our templates on our internal corner. You can see how well the tracks have measured up here. We've got one coming through, and then we've got one butting against it. So if we close this one all the way, and we close that one all the way as well, And you can see we've got this beautiful integration and this seamless corner. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Mike Gubby.